Hi guys, today we're going to be making
awesome.
a tiny jelly cube slime backwards, and we'll also be checking in on a giant jelly cube slime we made last time. So stick around. Bleh. But first, let's do some shout outs. Up first is Natalie and Nina. Hey Will It Slime, I love your videos so much. Keep up the fantastic work. I love you. Thank you so much, Natalie and Nina. We love all the Will It Slime fans. And I know I'm going to get this name wrong, but Inna Ikik. Hashtag Early Squad. Love you guys so much, and I hope you hit the 1 million subscribers. I subscribe to Will It Slime, Kimtastic Hacks, Will It Slime ASMR, and RMC Life. Please, can I get in the Early Squad? Yes, you can. Hey, and if you want to see some cool videos, be sure to check out RMC Life. That's our new vlog channel that features lots of behind-the-scenes footage. I'll have a link in the description. Vicky Duarte says, Early Squad, Kissy, Hard Eyes, love your videos and have been subbed for so long. Love your channel and the ASMR channel and Kimtastic Hacks. I just love your channel. Thank you so much, Vicky. Claire Foran says, hello, I love your channel and kids. Also, can you have a shout out? Well, I guess I could have a shout out, but I'll give you one instead, Claire. If you want to be part of the Early Squad, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then hit the notifications bell so you never miss a new video. Before we make our tiny jelly cube slime backwards, let's check in on our giant jelly cube slime. Last week, we made a giant jelly cube slime, and we let it set all week. Now we're gonna flip it. We've given it time to clear up. You wanna see what it looks like on top?
Fine. This one doesn't. Not all look like that.
Looks like Easter candy. That's crazy.
That is weird.
Normal sponge from inside.
Yeah, that looks good enough to eat, but don't eat it because it's poisonous, but it does look delicious. Looks like Easter Bunny left that.
If you eat it, it's
So we're ready to flip it? Riley, you want to help me flip it? Let's flip it and see what it looks like on the other side.
That's what it looks like.
Let's flip it.
Okay, ready?
Go.
Go. Look at this. It looks like pink lemonade with milk.
This looks like one of those giant Jell-O dessert molds. Mmm, yummy. All right, let's see if we can get it to come out. Ooh.
jelly mold. Oh, that is awesome.
My beautiful jelly cubes. Cubes? My jelly cubes.
That's wild.
And he's like
That's super cool looking.
pretty pink now. Pink.
Look how cool looking that is now. Once it clears up, isn't it really neat looking? Before it cleared up, it's just kind of
Cloudy.
cloudy, yeah, with a chance of meatballs.
Jelly is in it. It looks like there really is jelly in it though.
That's a giant jelly cube slime. It's heavy.
Ooh, it's not. Lots of slime. I'm getting all this slime. Well, it's slime. It's all mine.
Hey guys, if you haven't already, be sure to
Smash that like button. And share with a friend.
That's right. If you want to see behind the scenes footage of when we film our videos, like this one or last week, you can go check out our new vlog channel, RMC Life, where we'll have vlogs of the girls throughout the day, but also lots of behind the scenes footage from Will It Slime. I'll put a link in the description box. Be sure to go check it out and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Now it's time to make our tiny jelly cube slime backwards. I'm going to start out with a magic eraser sponge, and I'm going to cut it into tiny little cubes. subscribe. Now that my cubes are cut, I added some food coloring to a bowl, and now I'm going to add a little bit of water. Now I'm going to drop the cubes in and let them absorb the food coloring, and check out how quick they absorb it. That's pretty cool. Now I'm just going to set my cubes to the side to make sure that they don't get too soaking wet with food coloring. So I decided I might need to put them on a napkin just to help dry them out so they're just not so waterlogged. Okay, so now I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of my borax solution to my bowl because I'm doing this backwards. And now I'm going to add my clear glue. Ooh, startled me there. Now I'm slowly stirring it so that I don't add too many bubbles to it. Okay, let's start assembling our slime. Backwards, of course. First, I'm going to put in my colored cubes. Check out that napkin. It's like tie-dyed looking. That is too cool. Need to make a t-shirt out of that. Time to add my clear slime. And I actually used some clear slime that I let set out and clear up even better. I'm just gonna pour my slime on top of my cubes. And stir it up. And there's our tiny jelly cube slime made backwards. Or in reverse. Or not forward. Something like that. Yay! The giant sponges! Don't forget to check out our vlog channel, RMC Life, where you can see lots of behind the scenes footage from Will It Slime, plus Riley and Madison and Cameron's everyday lives. I think you'll love it. See you guys. What are we making?
Slime.
We're making slime. We're making a giant jelly cube slime. Let's go.